5 minus 2 gives us 3, and then 5 minus 2 also gives us 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 times 2 gives us 18. Unfortunately, that's the wrong answer. If you ended up with this answer, that's the wrong answer because you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. And that's the trap of order of operations. You might ask yourself, what? The order of operations? Yes, there is something called an order of operations. And without this, you would be lost. Everybody would be lost because I would say this is the answer. Another person would claim that's the answer, and so on and so forth. And it would create a chaos. So what is the correct order of operations? It is something called as PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for, oh, that's an ugly S, subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. It means that here we have the highest, and here we have the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority. Then go for addition and subtraction from left to right. Let's now revisit our original problem. So for God's sake, never be lost, learn PEMDAS. Now we have 5 minus 2, and then we have a parenthesis, then multiply by 2. Do we have any parentheses? Yes. Let's do the parentheses at first. So 5 minus 2, and then what's inside the parentheses? 5 minus 2 gives us 3. You can remove the parentheses and turn it into multiplication, and then multiply it by 2. So now we got rid of the parentheses. We have multiplication and subtraction, but according to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. We must do multiplication at first. So let's write it again. 5 minus 2 times 3 gives us 6, and then times 2. And then we have another multiplication, and we must do this at first before the subtraction. So 5 minus 6 times 2 gives us 12, and 5 minus 12 is minus 7, and that's the only answer according to the correct order of operations. So as your homework, what would the answer be if we had 5 minus 2, the first pair, inside the brackets and raised to the power of 2? So make sure to drop your thoughts and answers in the comments below. Please subscribe to the channel to support me and my work, and like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.